Um, we'd like to thank the SAG-AFTRA members, the voters, 20th Century Fox Studios and NBC. We are just a small collection of a lot of very talented, very hardworking people that work on this show. Dan Fogelman, our creator. Without Dan and our talented writers, we would not have words to say, and we actors, we know how important those words are. John McQuagg, Glenn Fakar, Ken Olin, Yasu Tanita, our DP, our entire crew, our hair and makeup, our camera, our wardrobe, our sound, our genie, our post and pre-productions, our transpo, our ADs and PAs, the people that kind of run us to and from set, our casting directors. Our casting directors to start at the studio and the network. I'm going to say Sharon Klein and Grace Wu, Tiffany Little Canfield and Josh Einstein and Bernie Telsey. You guys give us, first, a job, and second, wonderful players to work with week in and week out. Thank you. And just one more thing. The people that watch with us every Tuesday night and embrace a show that reflects positivity and hope and inclusion, we love you. Thank you very much.